Today for our math facts, you need out class fact practice 44A. When you have that, please go ahead and make sure that your name is on this paper. Today, we are once again taking a look at sums of 11, and we are also looking at review facts. Remember that review facts are the facts we've already learned, and we just take a look and we get a refresher on them. Okay, so let's get started. Let's do a review fact to get us started. We have 3 plus 4. You will also recall that if you need, for any reason, to use your math folder, sorry about the slam, if you need to use your red math folder, you can use that. If you would like to make a line, a number line, you could do that as well. Okay. If you don't like that option, you could grab out some of your squares, your 1-inch squares, and you could use those to count. You could use your linking cubes. Okay, you have lots of different options, don't you? But let's get started with 3 plus 4. You'll notice that 3 and 4 are right next to each other when you count. So that helps us to remember that this is going to be a doubles plus 1 problem. So which number is smaller? 3 is. That's the number that we are going to double. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And then because 4 is 1 more than 3, we have to do 1 more than 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, let's do a plus 9 problem. Look at the number that is not the 9. That would be 6. What is 1 less than 6? 5, and put a 1 in front of it. 9 plus 6 is 15. And then let's do 4 plus 7. Now, if you're thinking in your head, oh, Mrs. Friedrichs has been talking about 4 plus 7 a lot the last few days. 4 plus 7 is 11, and that's one of our facts with that. Okay, so now that we've done 3 problems together, I'm going to give you a chance to spend 2 minutes doing as many of these as you can. I would love it if you would do all of the first row and then come to the next row and do all of that row. Then go to the 3rd row and finish it, the 4th row, then finish it, and see if you can get into the 5th row if you haven't been today. Okay? So your 2 minutes begins now. All right, first grade, your 2 minutes are up. Please make sure that your pencil's down and have out your favorite crayon or colored pencil to check your work. Just a reminder, if your problem is correct, you will just put a dot by it. If the problem is incorrect, that means wrong, the answer is not correct, you will just put the correct answer right next to what you already had written. Okay, let's get started. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11. 7 plus 9, 16. 4 plus 6 is 10. 8 plus 3 is 11. Next row. 9 plus 6 is 15. 2 plus 9 is 11. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 7 is 11. 9 plus 8 is 17. Third row. 3 plus 9 is 12. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 6 is 11. 7 plus 3 is 10. 5 plus 9 is 14. Good job. We have 2 more rows. 7 plus 4 is 11. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 3 plus 8 is 11. 4 plus 3 is 7. Last row. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 5 is 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 3 plus 7 is 10. All right, friends, now that we've done the front side and we've checked over all of our answers and we wrote in any that we didn't have a chance to get done, it's time for you to do the rest of the work on your own. That back side is for you, for your homework. Now, if you like to just get it done right away, you go ahead and you just flip it over to the back side and you get right to work. If you need a little bit of a break from math, maybe you're going to do your math facts, maybe you're going to do the new lesson right away, then when you're done, just go ahead and make sure that you get the back side done after you have a little break. All right, you guys, have a great rest of your day, and please make sure that this gets back into your Thursday folder.